right there, Pirate Teddy. You can never escape the police. Go fast, police car, go! We have to save our friends. Gotcha, you bad pirate. Your stealing days are over.
You're gonna jail now. The police always win. I'm the best police officer. This garden is safe again. You did a great job today. You are my favorite toy. Let's dance, my little car. We are a super team. I will write my name here. Now everyone knows you're mine. Wow, it looks so cool. It's the perfect name for a perfect car. I will never leave you. We will play together every day.
I have a package for Tom.
A package for me? What is it?
Have a good day, little boy.
Thank you so much. This box is huge. Oh, someone's calling me.
Hi, Tom. I sent you a new toy. Wow, thank you, Grandma.
I can't wait to see it. Come on, open up.
Oh my gosh, a helicopter. It is so shiny and beautiful.
I need to put my name on this. Now it's officially mine. Look at me! I am flying! This is the best toy ever! Here we go, up in the clouds. I'm a great pilot. Fly higher, little helicopter. Tom forgot about me. I'm so tired. Time for a little rest.
Fly.
Welcome to Dreamland, Tom. Let's see what happens next.
This helicopter is so fast, Noah. Yeah, we are the kings of the sky.
Oh no, it is snowing. It's getting really cold down here.
I am freezing. Where are you, Tom?
Help us, police car. We are so cold and scared.
Tom left us outside.
What should we do now? Don't cry, my friends. I will protect all of you.
Follow me, everyone. We must find a warm place. Who is that giant? Well, what do we have here? Hey, put me down right now. This looks like a very expensive toy. I'll take it. No, let me go, you bad guy. Get in the bag, little car. Help! He is taking us away! You're all coming with me. Tom, please save us! Goodbye, silly garden.
That was a great flight, Noah.
Yes, let's play with the other toys now.
Wait a minute. Where are they? There's nothing here. My police car is gone. Teddy is gone too. We had so much fun together. You were my best friends.
But I left you outside. I was a bad friend.
Tom doesn't love us anymore. Let's find a new home.
No, that is not true. I still love you guys. We have to find them, Noah.
Slow down, Tom. Wait for me.
Look at these big footprints. Someone was here. Tom, I saw everything.
Anna, what happened to my toys?
A bad thief took them all. He put them in a big backpack.
Oh no, they are in danger. We must stop him.
Tom, hurry up! We need to fly right now!
Good idea, buddy. Let's catch that thief. Hold on tight, Noah. To the rescue!
Be careful, guys. Bring our friends back safe.
Where is my partner? He's so slow today. Start the engine, quick! Wow, your bag looks very heavy. Look at all these toys. We're gonna be rich.
Where are they taking us?
I don't know. It smells like fish. Drive fast before anyone sees us. Aye, 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 Captain. This is the life. Time for a nap.
Is the coast clear? Be quiet, he's sleeping.
Oh no, we are on the ocean! Help! Somebody help us! Whoa! The wind is so strong!
Look up at the sky!
It is Tom. He came to save us!
What is that loud noise? It is a helicopter!
Stop the boat, you bad thieves! Give me my toys back!
Drive away, hurry! I am trying, it is too fast!
We need to pull them up, Tom. I will use the rescue hook.
Grab the hook, my friends!
I am ready, lower it down! Not so fast, little boy! You lose! We're stuck here again.
That is not fair! They are so mean!
Take this, you thieves! Ouch, my hands. I can't steer. Eat my sticky bullets!
I can't see anything!
Are you okay, Noah?
Yes, but they are fighting back.
Don't worry, I am here to help. Anna? How did you get here?
Freeze, bad guy!
Hey, what is this sticky stuff? I am stuck too! Stop moving, you are hurting me! The boat is tipping over! Tom, save us now!
Climb up the web, everyone! Come on, you can do it! I am so sorry I left you. We're all best friends forever.